Check it. Alright guys, what is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero, and in this video we're looking at AMC stock. I got 100% proof that Aron is now controlled by the hedge funds and the reverse stock split is no good for the MOASS, which actually confirms another theory of mine, which we're going to look at in this video. And we have more confirmation that the mainstream media is in combination with the hedge funds trying to shake apes out of their position and make us sell before this massive run-up that the bars pattern is predicting. And speaking of the bars pattern, we're going to be looking at that, updating you guys on that and the timelines that we have before this massive run-up that it's predicting. We're also going to be looking at the technical analysis on AMC as well. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and hop in the charts, the facts, the data, and see what we have going on. What is up? You are back for another video with Data Zero. So lots of stuff going on, lots of things to talk about. So first of all, we have the media spreading FUD all around AMC, making AMC supposedly dump. Now, in my last video, I updated you guys on how they did this with the short shares to short when they had 1.1 million shares to short on the beginning of Friday, and they used that all throughout the day in combination with this media article to bring about this drop in AMC. But this drop is something that we expected, so the followers and subscribers of my channel were expecting this drop because we are following this bars pattern that has been playing out candle for 8 days now. So we have a time frame of 6 to 10 days that it's going to go probably down a little bit lower, back down to this 450 level, 460 level, back up to this 480 level, in between 520 and 480, consolidate, and then break out of this final wedge, seeing a massive price movement. Now, yesterday I also released a video saying that this could be the actual reverse split that we're seeing, and that is a possibility, and I don't want to put that out of the realm of possibilities, but I think this is actually a legitimate movement. I think the reverse split is not going through. What I think is the hedge funds are desperate. That's why they're putting out articles like this, and I also have more bombshell information that AMC and Aron himself is under control of the hedge funds, and the reverse split is bad for AMC. I put out a video yesterday putting downside and all the downsides of the reverse split on how this move would not be profitable if it is the reverse split that we are seeing, and that if this is the reverse split that we're actually seeing this move, because it would multiply as times 10 but take away. So if you have let me slow down a little bit. So if you have 100 shares, okay, so if you have 100 shares of AMC, after the reverse split you will only have 10 shares left, but the price will multiply by 10. Now that would roughly take the price of AMC to about, if we took off at this point right here, it would take us to $47, $48. So if you go ahead and look at the top of this run, at the top of this move that I'm looking at here, it is a little bit lower than that price point. So I do not think that this is the reverse split for that reason. Also, I think the reverse split is going to get denied, in my personal opinion, and get shut down and pushed down the road. And this will give us time for AMC to explode, because the hedge funds are truly desperate. You could tell that they are, because of the cost to borrow rates being so high. Why would they open up short positions on a stock near 52-week lows and pay 1,000 to 200% over the price to borrow it? This is extremely putting pressure on the shorts and hurting them. But let's go ahead and look at this video where Aron himself says that the reverse stock split is bad for AMC stock. Let's go ahead and check this out. This is truly amazing. This is the Trades interview. So remember Trades? Remember him? Yeah. So this is his interview before Aron was controlled by the hedge funds, and telling us the reverse stock split is no good. Let's go ahead and listen to what he has to say.
I can tell you that I've never given any serious thought to splitting our stock or a reverse split of our stock. That's point number one. Point number two, we have absolutely no plans to split our stock or do a reverse split of our stock.
All right, guys, so you heard it from Aron itself. He has no plans to split the stock or reverse split the stock as of 2020 when this interview came out. Now, all of a sudden, he wants to reverse split the stock. And I'm telling you guys, the reverse split will allow the hedge funds to cover their short positions, and we'll see a big drop in short interest if the reverse split goes through. That is my theory. And then when it goes and pops up, they will short it down and make money. So they will make even more money. That's how they make money on the downside. So when the new price goes up, they will just short it right back down to oblivion and make even more money and cover their short positions, leaving retail hold the bag and making a ton of money in the process. Is that what you want? No. Okay, so we need to get on the horn, start lettering the judge, make sure that this reverse stock split goes through. And I have more evidence, even though this is more speculation, but the fact that they are putting out articles like this and trying to scare apes and spread FUD and having the mainstream media simultaneously while using short shares to dump the price, trying to shake us out before this massive run up is all the more proof that I need that AMC is about to see a massive short squeeze, and they are desperate, and we are down to days of time left. We have days left, and if they do not get this reverse stock split passed, they are going to run out of time and money, and this thing is going to squeeze, and this bars pattern is going to play out. So guys, I will continue to update you on this bars pattern. I just wanted to get this video out there, out to the public, let everyone know what was going on, let everyone know that Aron is definitely 100% a fraud. He's controlled by the hedge funds, and the reverse stock split is 100% no good. Now we're going to continue to follow this bars pattern day after day, and if it doesn't play out one day, then I'll let you guys know right away. But right now it is playing out candle for candle, calling for a little bit more downside on AMC. So let's go ahead and look at the technicals, what that would look like. Again, we'd have probably downside on Monday, consolidation for the next week, and then a pop to the upside near or around the 24th date. So I think hedge funds are absolutely desperate. I think that they are spreading FUD. They are doing that simultaneously with dropping the short shares, trying to spread FUD, trying to shake you out of your position before this massive move to the upside. I think this is a legitimate move to the upside. I do not think this is the reverse split. After doing more research and looking into things more closely, I will be following this bars pattern, and as soon as it breaks or doesn't follow through, I'll let you guys know, and I'll be the first to tell you guys. And we will be looking at the technical analysis, seeing where I predict AMC is going to go with the technical analysis, what I'm looking at with the technicals here. And it does call for more downside consolidation and then a pop to the upside because of all the strength that we are seeing. And on the long time term frame, if you look on the long time term frames, on the weekly time frame, we have green MACD and the Bollinger Bands are getting very, very tight, telling us volatility is coming and a nice move to the upside is coming for AMC stock. So everything seems to be lining up. As you guys can see, it would perfectly play out with the breakout of the falling wedge. As well, as you guys can see, we have this 2-year downtrend of the falling wedge breakout, and then we pop to the upside. So that perfectly plays out as well. So there is a ton of things telling us and confirming that this bars pattern is coming into play. The bars pattern itself playing out is telling us, the technical analysis is telling us, the breakout of the falling wedge, the 2-year falling wedge is telling us that this breakout is evident. And now that we have the hedge funds putting out FUD and we have confirmation that the reverse stock split is bad, it puts all the more leverage in my court, telling me that we are on the right path with this thesis that a massive move is coming for AMC stock and that the hedge funds are running out of time and are truly desperate. We are back on the threshold security list. Let's not forget that. And we are seeing the same glitches. We cannot get the correct price for AMC's market cap or shares outstanding, which is the same glitches we had before the 2020 run up to all-time highs. As you guys can see, AMC's market cap is reportedly $7.46 billion. And if you go ahead and look at Yahoo, the market cap is about $4.3 billion. And if you Google it, it will tell you it's about $2.9 billion. So you cannot get a straight answer on what the shares outstanding are, what the market cap is. This has been several days. This is more than a glitch. As you guys can see, Google is telling us 2.66 billion. Yahoo is telling us 4 billion. Market Watch is telling us 7 billion. So there is so many different answers, and these are the same glitches we had before the last run up. Again, more confirmation that a massive move is coming. The dark pools are leaking out. The matrix is breaking down. Now they do have 400,000 shares available to borrow as of right now because cost of borrow is slightly going down. I do expect them to be able to get more shares, and that could coincide with the pullback that we're going to see more downside to the downside, and then see that consolidation before a massive move to the upside. So apes, do not get shaken out by FUD from the mainstream media. Do not get shaken out by shares available to short when they drop it down. Guys, we are close. Just hold on. Not financial advice. We are about to see a massive move, and all of the evidence is pointing to that. So you can take it for what you want. This is not financial advice. This is just what I am looking at personally on my technical analysis, my due diligence, and my theories. So guys, hopefully you found the video informative. I hope you did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. And remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. I go live there, talk about stocks, talk about my trades all day long. So if you find that interesting, go ahead and check that out. It'll be linked down in the comment section and the description below. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out. All right, guys, that was the video. Hopefully you found it informative. I know I did. If you did, go ahead and drop a like. Subscribe for more content like this. Remember, you can check me out on Twitter and Discord for even more Data Zero updates. And I truly, truly appreciate each and every one of you that subscribe and watches the video to the end. It really does mean a lot to me. And as always, have fun, stay safe, make money. Peace out.